Welcome everyone to the OpenMappingLab YouTube channel. Hello everyone, in this video, we're going to look at how to use some basic plugins in JOSM. On learnosm.org, you can find recommendations for beginners about which plugins are useful to install first. From that list, we'll be using Buildings Tools and Utils plugin 2 in this tutorial. First, let's check if the required plugins are already installed in JOSM. After that, we'll add the necessary OpenStreetMap data along with background imagery. To install a plugin, go to the main menu bar, Edit, Preferences, then search for Utils plugin 2 and install it. Once it's installed, you can check its available functions by clicking on More Info. When Utils plugin 2 is active, you'll see a new option called More Tools in the main menu. For example, with the Split Object tool, you can split a polygon by drawing a line through it. And then simply delete the unnecessary part. Next, let's install the Buildings Tools plugin. After installation, a new icon will appear on the toolbar. Making it quick and easy to draw building footprints. By using these plugins, mapping in JOSM becomes faster, easier, and more efficient. So don't forget to go to Preferences, Plugins and enable the ones that are most useful for your work. In the next videos, I will continue sharing more tips for using JOSM effectively. Thank you all for watching.